My name is Pertti Salolainen, and I'm the Vice Chairman of the Foreign Affairs Committee of the Parliament and previous Deputy Prime Minister of Finland. Well, it's always important and useful to have exchanges because then you get to know better on the spot and get a better understanding what other people are thinking about. So it's always useful. My understanding about Turkey as a nation has become deeper, and I have understood more of the facts of this country, that you don't get always the same image from papers and television, so it's better to talk to people personally. Ankara is a huge city, and I have been there once before, but now I saw it in the daylight, and I saw how huge it is. So, well, it is really a big capital, and has to be considered very carefully when we are negotiating.